How to air test. Enter the room or area that you plan on testing. Remove the test plate from the clear plastic sleeve. Take the lid off the test plate and place the open plate on a flat surface away from walls and windows. Place the lid open side down next to the test plate. Set a timer for 1 hour and go about your activities as normal. After an hour, place the lid back on top of the test plate. Seal the plate closed with tape. Label the plate with the name of the room or space tested and the date. Wrap the sealed plate in aluminum foil and place the wrapped and labeled plate in a drawer or cabinet. If you have more questions, visit us at microbalancehealthproducts.com or leave them for us in the comments.